Hey guys, hi. Uh, I just wanted to, update you that whatever I update for in the indicator, you'll get mail, right? Right, you get a mail that specific RAVAN indicator is updated, what are the features and all. So how you can find the updated version? This is the updated version of the chart. But if you have an older version, so how you can find the newer version and apply on the chart? You have to do one thing. You have to just go to the chart, right? Once you go to the chart, just a second. Once you go to the chart, this one, you have to do one thing. You have to just remove the indicator. Once I am see by clicking this cross, you can do same with the mobile as well. Once you close this, right, and you have to remove both the indicators RSI and this both, and then go again to the invite only section, and then reapply a specific indicator. You will get my newer update, whatever I have told you in this video, in previous video as well. Okay, thank you, thanks a lot. You can find this updated version by doing this. Okay, thank you. If you still have confusion, you can call me anytime.